I was buying protein shakes in little bottles, and I determined that it would be more effective for me if I just made my own protein shakes. So I got this 12 pack of 16-ounce plastic bottles, and I just wanted to show you how it arrives, what you get with it, and what my thoughts are on it. So obviously you get the 12 bottles, and the bottle itself, it's not dissimilar than something you would pull off of a grocery store shelf. It's pretty solid. It's about what I would expect on this. And you're gonna get 12 lids with these, and these lids are actually pretty decent. They hit on there tight, and they're solid, nice solid plastic. I like the feel of these. Inside of here, they give you this cleaning brush that you kind of attach together. I don't know if I'll use this, but I probably will use that. That actually fits in there pretty nice. This lid, I'm not sure exactly how this works. You can laugh at me while I do this. Like turns it into a giant baby bottle or something, sippy cup. Wow, it's actually airtight too. Maybe it works like that. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. I thought it would be for storing it, but there you go. And you also get 12 labels on here, so you can put it on the bottle. You got a couple different spaces if you want to label different things. And they've given you some instructions in here to show you how it all works. Actually, not too bad. I like them. I think they're going to work out just perfect for me in making my own little 16-ounce protein shakes. I like them.